Hello again guys, so welcome again to my YouTube channel, TechnoSparks. So this is my second vlog, so we will tackle again about the technologies, their usage, definitions, and how important the technologies in our daily life. So before we started knowing other technologies, I will ask you a questions. So, the first question is, how's technology important in our daily life? So, technologies is incredibly important in our generations and shaping nearly every aspect of our lives. So, it's driving progress in the field like medicines, educations, and communications, and also entertainment. So, it's offering unprecedented access to informations and opportunities. It has transformed how we work, socialize, and solve problems, often making tasks faster, more efficient, and more connected. On a large scale, technologies is also a backbone of innovations, economic growth, and even global interconnectedness, influencing everything from climate change solutions to geographical dynamics. So, hello again guys. So, this time we will continue knowing more technologies. So, on these technologies, I will give you their definitions and why it is part of technologies. So, and also we will knowing that how important this technology in our daily life. So, the technologies that I want to show you is extension cord. So, there's some people confused why this extension wire or cord is part of technology. So, this extension cord or wire are a type of electrical cable, and wires are fundamental component of technology. So, extension wire or cord are types of technology. So, how's important this extension wire or cords in our daily lives? So, extension wires are crucial in daily life because they offer flexible and convenience in accessing power where it's needed. They allow us to use electrical devices far from the outlets, whether at home, in the office, or outdoors. These technologies makes it possible to power multiple devices, improving safety by keeping equipment away from outlets, and providing temporarily power solutions for events or tasks. So, without extension wire or cord, we will be limited to fixed location for devices, making everyday activities like cleaning, working, and entertaining less efficient. They also help in situations where adding new outlets would be impractical or costly. So this is how important the extension wire in our daily life. So hello again guys. So the next technology that we want to tackle is the clip electric fan. So as you can see, that's why it's called clip, because it has a clip. So as you can see, so in this technology, we will define their definitions and how's this technology important in our daily life. So, do you know that this clip electric fan is part of technology? So, the answer is yes. So, the clip electric fan is a technological device because every fan has used an electric motor is an electrical device. So, electronics are systems where electricity is used for control purposes like switching on some functionality. So, that's why it is part of technology, that because this clip electric fan is needed an electricity to function. So, we will talk about how important this clip electric fan in our daily life. So, this clip electric fan is an essential tool in daily life due to its compact design, its portability, and ability to provide personal cooling. So, it is space efficient, making it ideal for small rooms, offices, and apartments. So, the fan can be clipped to the various surfaces, offer flexible in cooling specific areas without taking up a valuable space. So, it is energy efficient and cost effective. So, compared to the air conditioning, reducing electricity bills and environmental impacts. So, clip are affordable and suitable for both indoors and outdoors use, and help improve air circulations and comfort in hot weather. They are particularly beneficial in maintaining health and well-being by preventing heat-related discomfort and offering a quiet, focused airflow. It is affordable and widely accessible. Cliff electric fan are very important accessibility because solutions for personal cooling in a variety of settings. So hello again guys. So for our next technology that we want to tackle is the USB flash drive. So we all know, especially for the IT students of Hinatilan Extension Campus, that this is the USB flash drive. So it has a 32 GB storage. So do you know that this USB flash drive is a technology? So the answer is yes. So a USB drive is a piece of technology. It is a portable storage device that is used for flash memory to store data. So the devices connects to the computer and other devices is via a universal serial bus or USB port, making it easily and convenient way to transfer or backup files. So these technologies behind a USB drive involve flash memory, USB connectors, drive involve flash memory, so and data transfer protocols, and all of which enables fast, reliable data access and portability. So that's why this USB flash drive is an technology. So how's important that USB flash drive in our daily life, especially for the IT experts? So a USB drive is highly important in daily life, especially for IT experts. It provides a convenient and portable solutions for transferring large amounts of data between devices without the needs for an internet connection. So that's how the importance of USB flash drive. So it depends on you on how you define how important the USB flash drive. But in my own, the importance of USB flash drive is to store data and transferring data and save the data. And you can also sharing a data or information from this USB flash drive. So that's all. So hello again guys. So the next part of technologies, that is gadgets. So we all know that the gadgets is mostly used in our generations. I mean now generations. So we will tackle about its definitions and how these gadgets is important in our daily life. So gadgets are small portable electronics devices or tools designed to perform specific tasks or functions, often making daily activities or more convenient or efficient. They typically features innovative designs and technologies, offering specialized features such as communications, entertainment, or productivity enhancements. Example, including smartphones. So, this is smartphones, smartwatch, wireless headphones, digital cameras, and other tech tools that is simplified tasks to provide new capabilities in a compact form. So, gadgets are often characterized by their ease of use, portability, and ability to integrate into modern lifestyle. So, how's these gadgets important in our daily life? So, gadgets is highly important in daily life because they enhance convenient, improving productivity, and provide entertainment in an increasingly digital world. They simplify tasks, making activities like communications, information access, and work more efficient. For example, smartphone keeping us connected with others, access the internet, and manage our schedules, while smart watches help monitor health and health and fitness. So, the last technology that we want to tackle is the watch. So, as you can see, this is the watch. So, there's a types of watch. There's a digital watch. So, this watch is, we will tackle about its definitions and how this watch is important in our daily life. So, is the watch is part of technology? So, the answer is yes, because a watch is considered part of technology because it's particularly in the context of timekeeping and its evolutions. Watches, especially modern ones, integrate various technological advancements. Traditional watches, such as mechanical and quartz model, rely on precision, engineering, and timekeeping mechanisms, which are technological innovations in horology, the study of measurements of time. So, the definitions of this watch is a watch is a small portable timekeeping device typically worn on the wrist. So, in here. So, it is designed to display the current time and may also include additional features such as a data display, alarm, stopwatch, and in the case of smartwatches, functions like fitness tracking, notifications, and connectivity with other devices. So, in short, that's in this using the data display, or function fitness tracking or notifications is you can use the digital watches. So, watches can be powered by mechanical movements, batteries in quartz watches. So, there's a watch that not so have a battery but a rechargeable systems. So, there's a watch that's not have a chargeable system. So, that's what's the definitions of watch. So, we will talk about the how important the technology or watch or how important this watch in our daily life. So, watches are important in our daily life because they help us manage and track time, which is essential for productivity, scheduling, and maintaining routines, such as waking up in the morning like 6 a.m. So, in the next other day, so you set up your schedule or alarm clock in this watch so you can wake up at the same time 6 a.m. So, in this modern society, being aware of time is crucial for punctuality, work efficiency, and personal organizations. Watches provide a convenient way to check the time without needing to pull out the phone or smartphone, making them especially useful in situations like meetings, exercising, or whenever you go. So that's how important the watches in our daily life. So thank you guys. So this is the end of my vlog. So I hope you enjoy this video and more lesson to learn. So just take care and stay safe in your home, and we will tackle more about the technologies in the next vlog. So thank you again, guys. So thank you for watching, and we love you, and goodbye.